How dangerous is microgravity training for astronauts? Imagine floating in space, weightless and free, but preparing for that experience involves some serious physical challenges. Microgravity training is a key part of astronaut preparation, but it does come with risks. When astronauts train to simulate the near-weightless conditions of space, their bodies undergo significant changes. The main concerns are the effects on muscles and bones because, in microgravity, the body no longer needs to support its weight. This causes muscle atrophy and bone density loss, which can weaken bones and make fractures more likely after returning to Earth. To prevent this, astronauts follow strict exercise routines using special equipment like resistance machines and treadmill systems designed for space training. Another risk involves the cardiovascular system. In microgravity, bodily fluids shift toward the upper body, which can decrease blood plasma volume and reduce the size of the heart muscle. This can lead to orthostatic intolerance, meaning astronauts might feel dizzy or faint when they stand up after spaceflight. Microgravity also suppresses the immune system, making astronauts more vulnerable to infections during long missions. There is also concern about blood clots forming because of the changes in blood flow, which could be dangerous if they develop during extended stays in space. Training devices like underwater neutral buoyancy tanks and parabolic flights are used to mimic microgravity. These methods are generally safe but do carry some risks. For example, underwater training can cause disorientation or motion sickness, and parabolic flights can lead to nausea or physical strain. Safety protocols are strict, with medical monitoring and trained staff always present to handle any issues. Overall, microgravity training is challenging and has inherent risks because of how weightlessness affects the body's systems. But these risks are carefully managed through controlled environments, regular health checks, and specific countermeasures like exercise, nutrition, and medical support. Understanding these dangers helps scientists and astronauts develop better ways to prepare for space missions. This ensures astronauts stay healthy and perform well during their time in space and when they return home.